In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post-process all of your toolpaths in a setup at one time to make a CNC program out of it, get regular CNC code. The first thing we want to do is make sure we're in manufacturing workspace, all right, and that we click on the setup that we want. And I want setup 1 in this case. With that highlighted blue, what I can do now is just simply go over to Actions and Post-Process. That's going to create all the NC code that we need. So you want to make sure that the post that you're using, the post processor, is called Haas Pre-NGC. If you don't have that up, click on the folder over here. And you want to filter down capabilities to milling and vendor to, instead of all, have it in Haas Automation. And it will filter down to just a few items. And we want to click the one down the bottom that says Haas Pre-NGC, Haas.cps. Okay. And actually, any of these will work fine, really. Any of them should work fine. Okay. Select that. We've got our program number already put in because that goes back to our setup in our post-process tab. Also, our comment is from there. You can choose an output folder. You might be choosing to go somewhere on your Chromebook, or maybe select, if you can, another drive. On the post properties column over here, the preferences, we want to make sure that only optional stop and use G0 are checked. All the others should not be checked. Safe read tracks and home positioning. The home position center should be checked. And change your safe retract to G53 if it's not there already. And as far as the formats down here, sequence numbers can be any way you want. I just start with number 1 and then add one at line number after that. And then write machine checked off and write tool is checked off. And the rest of it should be fine. Then click on post. It's going to post out all of those toolpaths under setup 1. Then we can view the NC code. And when you view the NC code, eventually what will happen is a different window will come up showing you in an editor what all that CNC code is that just got generated. So it's pretty simple to do, not too big of a deal. And that should be all there is to it.